Are these all their 91?
Omondi, Michael Ohuma Nyamoro, Paul Ohuma, Brian Otieno Owiki, Oscar Otieno Owino, Nicholas Odoro Okoth, Vincent Mulo Matute, Francis Muigai, Elvis Manasse, James Munga Award, Sylvester Mbete Elias Hashim, Sebastian Okelo Oriamo, Lamek Otieno Odior, Martin Ndungu Mbada, Boniface Kilonzo Mwagangi, James Mwangi Waidaka, Diof Lungu, Festus Munis Libista, Victor Otieno, Hussein Burhan, Martin Mwaura, Steven, Didan Otieno, Charles Njugu Jogo.
Which parties? Any other appearances? Yes, proceed.
Before your court on Wednesday, the 9th of July, and Your Honor, we continue to, and further also that we also guided Your Honor by an application which was quite similar to the one before this court, which was made recently in Republic versus Makamiani and others, where it was held that it was in fact a violation of the respondent's constitutional rights to deny them first police bail at first instance, and that it was a continued detention and a further infringement of their constitutional right to continue holding. And in that case also granted bail. But I will invite my co-counsel if they want to make submissions.
To reiterate my co-counsel's sentiments that the court issued directions whether when the 125 suspects are back in court without a charge sheet, this court will release them unconditionally. Your Honor, looking at the affidavit that was filed on the 9th of July when the suspects were brought in court, similar issues are arising. That the IO is seeking 10 days to continue his investigations. Similarly, it is the position of the defense who wish to persuade this court to release the suspects in reasonable bail and bond term. Also, this court can do that on a personal bond because a number of them are casual laborers. And I still reiterate that our Constitution has balanced these fundamental rights, the right of the state and the right of the accused person. also in this aspect of the suspects. The right to bail and bond is a constitutional right. However, that is not, it is limited, but we reiterate the same issues, whether they are compelling reasons from the deporn affidavit by the IO to continue to detain the suspect. The defense answers that in the negative. There are no compelling reasons for the IO to continue to withhold the suspects in this matter. So the Honor will persuade you that the suspects have a right to liberty. They have a right before this court to be released on reasonable bail and bond.
Your Honor, you gave us 2 days to be able to. The investigating officer has been able to obtain statements from witnesses, however, not all of them. It is for that reason, Your Honor, that I wish to submit that while we are not opposed to bail or bond terms in this matter, we are praying that the respondents reports every Friday at Ruaraka DCI office for a period of 1 month to ensure investigation is completed on the same.
Today, counsel for the states. Each respondent present today will be released on a cash bail of Kenya shillings 5,000, and you're all directed to report to the DCI office, Starehe Sub-County, every Monday, every Wednesday, and every Friday for the next 14 days, pending conclusion of investigations. Mention shall be on the 24th of July 2025. The state is hereby granted a further 14 days to conclude the investigations and either charge or release the suspect's right of appeal. Mention on 24th of July 2025.
Kwa lugha ya taifa, hivi ndio koti imetoa uamuzi wake leo kulingana na ombi.
Ajit? Let me have the file. Response by counsel for the state. What is your name? Evans?
naitwa Lydia Michelle Mande. I'm here on behalf of my brother, my younger brother, whereby he was arrested on Monday around 11 a.m. at Kariobangi roundabout on his way back from work. Na sasa akashikwa ikakuwa anasemekana alikuwa maandamano, of which it's a lie. They were just walikuwa wanashika tu watu random. Anybody that was passing. Uni hustler, uni mtu bado anajaribu kujijenga. So wamekuwa na watu kutoka Monday until now. Na hawatuambii walikuwa wamewaandikia nini, of which it's so unfair. We can't be paying fines na ujumi pia fine ya nini. Yeah. Na hapa every one of us anang'ang'ana. Na most of us ni siblings wetu wameshikwa. So it's so unfair tunaambiwa tulipe fine ya 5,000 whereby we don't know what even they are being charged of. Most of them they are very innocent. Very innocent. Ni watu tu wanajaribu kujijenga. Haiwezi kuwa mtu anajaribu kujijenga anashikwa. Hatuwezi ishi hivyo. Hiyo si fair. Tunajenga nchi, si kuturudisha nyuma. Sasa si kila mtu atafford hiyo 5,000 ya kutoa mtoto wake. So wenye watenda ndani, hiyo si ni kuharibia pia vijana life. Si fair hata kidogo. Mimi ningependa tu tupunguziwe hiyo do. Kama tunaweza punguziwa iko affordable kwa kila mtu, ita make sense. Because 5,000 saa hii na vile hakuna do, ni ngumu sana kila mtu kupata hiyo pesa. Sasa hivyo tu justice vile inafaa. Tuko kotini tunafaa tu justice vile inafaa. So this is so unfair to us.
What is going on kwa hii serikali yetu ni kwamba inaendelea kupunish watu na kuendelea kudhulumu watu na contravene human rights kama bail and bond rights. Wamekaa kwa police station for 7 days. They've already been remanded for 7 days. So therefore give them such a punitive bail of 5,000. And these are unemployed young people. Na ni watu ambao wengine hawakuwa kwa maandamano, na wale ambao walikuwa kwa maandamano ni young people ambao wanaenda maandamano to defend their human rights, to defend their social justice na to defend dignity yao. Kwa hivyo serikali inafaa kuelewa kwamba watu wanafaa kuachiliwa express their freedoms na kwamba hakufai kuwa na limitation ya basic constitutional rights. Na sisi we are not pleading with this government specifically, but we are urging them to respect the constitution, to respect rule of law and to respect democracy.
This matter, there are 125 accused persons. Initially, they were just suspects because there was no formal charge presented. We were a group of 4 advocates, myself, Abdul Ms. Wahome, Mr. Odhiambo, and we, Mr. Goro also was on record, the suspect. And the court has made its decision. We've persuaded the court that every Kenyan has a constitutional right, and their right to fair trial is very important. We cannot curtail that right. The learned magistrate has given her directions that each one of them shall be released on a cash bail of 5,000. The families are here. They are making efforts to ensure that their persons do not spend any extra time in custody today. And we've moved the court very preciously to tell them that you cannot withhold people for long. The Constitution gives the ultimatum of a 24-hour rule for them to be brought to court. And we appreciate that at least the family is happy. The 125 suspects are waiting for them now to be cleared and given the release order to join their family. So that will be all from our side. The Constitution is supreme and it remains the most sacrosanct document in our country. That will be all.